Hi, Kurt Jerman with Dennis & Yachting.
And I'm Kim Dumas with Dennis & Yachting.
We're out sailing today on our Cuda, a beautiful 2007 Privilege 495 catamaran.
Built in 2007 by Allura Marine, our Cuda is a 3-cabin, owner's version catamaran that possesses all of the high-quality features you would expect from a Privilege. Upon entry into the main salon, you will instantly be wowed by the premium quality woodwork with rounded corners and rich glossy finishes. The dining area to starboard features a beautiful oval-shaped table with storage cabinets below. The L-shaped settee comfortably seats up to 6. To port, you will find a very comfortable lounge area perfect for reading a book or enjoying a cocktail. Looking aft, you'll find the navigation station on the port side of the boat, complete with electronics mirrored at the helm station. Unique to the catamaran market, Privileges are known for their large owner's suite located in the center of the boat, forward with access from either hull. Large overhead hatches provide lots of ventilation along with bright natural light. For entertainment, a flat-screen TV is located at the foot of the bed along with ample shelves for storage or decor. On the starboard side of the owner's suite, you'll find a separate shower complete with an overhead rain shower as well as a separate handheld and 6 jets. On the port side of the owner's suite, you'll find a separate head and sink with a large mirror. As we enter the galley located midship in the port hall, you'll find a large sink with a pull-out faucet, a 3-burner stove with oven, built-in microwave, and ample cabinetry for food and dishware. After the galley, you'll find a spacious stateroom with its own ensuite head and shower. Amidship in the starboard hall, you'll find a Pullman-style berth with a combination washer and dryer. After the Pullman berth, you'll find a second guest cabin with a large hanging locker and abundant storage. Adjacent to this guest cabin is another spacious head and shower. If you're seeking a comfortable yet elegant catamaran with quality woodworking throughout, you'll be very happy with our Cuda.
Back up on deck is a spacious cockpit with a foul weather plastic enclosure for winter and full screen enclosure for summer. Sturdy davits aft of the cockpit support an 11-foot high-field dinghy with a 20 horsepower Yamaha outboard purchased new in 2018. Just inboard of the dinghy is a life draft contained securely in an easy-to-deploy stainless storage container rack. Back in the cockpit, there's a beautiful Tig Table with comfortable seating throughout. Up to port is a spacious helm station with seating for 2, a sliding roof for easy viewing of the sails, and a full array of Raymarine electronics. Moving out of the cockpit, the Privilege 495 has spacious side decks with custom stanchions and Dyneema lifelines for added safety. Our Cuda is truly set up for around-the-world cruising with a Ecotech water maker, 960 watts of solar, lithium batteries, a wind generator, and an Onan 11.5 kW generator, new in 2017. Sails, standing and running rigging were all replaced in 2020. She has an electric roller furling Genoa system, a fully battened mainsail with a stack pack and lazy jacks. The sail inventory is rounded out with a parasail spinnaker and a Code 0. The ground tackle on our Cuda includes 2 stainless steel Ultra anchors, a Fortress anchor for stern anchoring, along with 270 feet of stainless steel chain and 300 feet of road. Our Cuda is powered by 2 54 horsepower Yanmars with flex fold props and cruises under power at 8 knots. She is without a doubt the most well-equipped, upgraded performance cruising catamaran on the market today. Meticulously maintained with numerous upgrades by her owners, our Cuda is ready for her next adventure. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of our Cuda.
Please give us a call. We'd love to answer all of your questions.